What is up guys, today I will show you how to revert to stock when you purchase unlock controller. I already showed you where to purchase controller and how to replace it, so the link you can find in the description below. And now I will show you how to revert to stock and you still have 40 km/h. So firstly you have the ScooterHacking Utility here. Then you see it's already installed DRV from the ScooterHacking Utility. SHFW, so you go to flash, then you load from repo DRV and flash 1.4.8, which is 40 km/h. After this you see G2 DRV, click start flashing, and flashing is ongoing now. So after flash will be done, you can actually use all the stock app and including 40 km/h with maximum speed. So let it finish and let's try out. Okay, so you see it's successfully done. So the next step, you need to change the region here. So change the region, US 35, you have US 32, so let's do US 35. After this you hear some noise, so let's check whether the region is changed. As you see it's US 35 right now. So we change the region and let's try the maximum speed. I don't know why it's not moving here. You can cruise control set up, you can start speed can be set it up as well from 0 kilometers. And let's try out 32. It's not fully charged, but as you see it's already like 29. So 30 can be reached, I think, if it's fully charged, even 32. Let's try change the region to 32 US. Here we have it. Okay, making some noise. Restart it, US 32. Let's try it out. Let's try it out again. Still 29, so actually it's a maximum speed with this charge, I guess, so it should be charged to reach more. But in general working well, so let's try in the drive mode what the maximum speed will be. 25 in the driving mode, so 32 or 35 in a sport mode. And that's actually how you can easily return to stock. Also you can connect now to Segway app here. So that's actually how you can easily change to stock firmware on your 9-bot scooter Max G2.